What's up guys, Kinsey here. Welcome back to my channel. So we wanted to plan something super epic for the holidays for Christmas, and I have my great friend Jared from the Flow State, and this was actually his idea. He has some of the craziest ideas. You've seen him in my previous content. But what are we doing today?
Well, I needed help from somebody else who is equally interested in extreme things because we wanted to do something a little extra special to inspire people this year. Thanks to coronavirus, everyone's been a little downhearted, so we're about to take Christmas to a whole new level and give back. You ready?
I am so ready. Hey Santa, 2020 has been crazy and we have to make it better.
Yes, COVID-19 has made this year very, very hard.
What can I do to help?
Well, I could use some help with toy deliveries.
I think I have an idea.
Hello?
Hey, so I want to plan something super epic for Christmas and I would love your help.
Actually, I wanted to work with Cookies and Kicks and set up like some kind of donation stand.
That would be amazing. I know you're super involved in charity, so I definitely wanted your help on that end.
There's this thing called influencing kindness. They're trying to get influencers to use their platforms to get back to their communities.
Do you know anyone else that wants to be involved?
The local Love Club, and I was thinking maybe we could do some kind of fundraiser with them.
Totally. If you can help me with anything, and then I'm going to set up all the extreme stuff and let's pull up something epic.
I can't wait.
I have a really crazy idea and I need your help to make it happen.
We're in. What do you need?
I'll call you back in a few.
Yo, what's up? Oh, I'm so in.
Kinsey? Hey, what's up, Kinsey?
I might need a favor.
What is that about? What are we doing?
Okay, meet me at the heliport in an hour.
Alright, I'm on my way. See you there.
Guys, we're making this Christmas freaking epic. We're giving back. All these little elves are gonna come with us to do charity and give back to the community, and we're super excited. We couldn't be happier than to have this opportunity this year to give back. So as a team, we're going to make the world a better place. Catch you guys later.
My elf, let's go!